Third and final story in News and Views. Back to school.
Morning, Garel. Morning, Garel. Pull your socks up a little more. I like to see you in the grey socks this morning. Very good. You know, it's grey, black, or blue, or brown. Very good, Garel. You're doing very well. Yes. Very good. Move along. Come on, assemblies in a few. Yeah. Penedo? Is that you, Penedo?
Morning, sir.
Penedo, is that really you?
Yes, sir.
Penedo, let me ask you a question. When school went on holiday for the summer, what color was your complexion? Come on, Penedo, speak up.
I was kind of dark then.
You were
sir.
dark-skinned, Penedo. Penedo, this September morning, what is going on with your skin color? You're brown today.
Sir, I was in New York for the holiday.
Penedo, in most places around the world, the climate is summer. The climate is hot in the summer, right? So you can't come to me about you come back cool, right?
I didn't come outside any at all,
You
sir.
didn't come outside any at all? AC can't make you so brown when you're dark skin. What you doing with yourself, Penedo?
Sir, I go to the doctor and he gave me a cream for my eczema.
Penedo, tell me the truth. Ludlow Penedo, don't lie to me. You're bleaching. You're bleaching, Ludlow Penedo.
Sir, I'm not bleaching. I just apply cream on my skin.
What kind of cream you apply to your skin? As a matter of fact, don't call him. I don't care. Your mother know that you're doing these things, Penedo. Penedo? And look at your pants. They're tight. You don't have any room in them. How do you walk, Penedo? How do you walk?
But sir, I can't allow my pants to have room. Next thing, people who looking somewhere to live want to live in my pants.
Penedo, you're making wisecracks. Huh? We have detention and demerits for those things. You want an order mark in your skin today, Penedo?
Sir...
Ludlow Penedo, speak up to me. Why are you so brown? You were black when you left, you know you've returned brown. Penedo, you're not gonna come here and confuse my teachers. They taught a black child, now they're teaching a brown man. You're looking like you're listening to too much. Yes, I know the songs. Right? Don't you come back to the school until you're black again. Call your parents.
But sir...
Your mother bleaching?
She don't live with me, she live in foreign.
I say if your mother is bleaching.
I don't know, sir. I can't see her from here.
What is your mother's complexion?
Well, when she left, she was black too.
And what is her color now?
Well, I saw a picture with her and she looked brown like me.
Ludlow, you're suspended. 10 days. Don't call the school will call you.